smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
This is the start of the walk in Dieppe. Everybody slowly waking up. I think I can get in the blazes now. There's another blaze for the GR210. Going through the town, this means the wrong way. Over the road on a bridge, the local college or high school, probably a college. Following the blazes out of Dieppe. You can still hear seagulls, but we're now going out into the bit of the country. We're no more than a kilometre away, but it starts. The countryside, and there's the sea. Nice cool breeze this morning. I think it might get a bit warm. A Canadian cemetery, pre-D-Day. Here is the sign to follow. The shell is a Camino sign, because little did I know, from Dieppe to Rouen is part of the English way for a Camino, and beyond Rouen you go on to other religious sites and eventually you connect to one of the Caminos that is more well known. So yeah, hopefully it will be well signposted the whole way. But this part of northern France, obviously with D-Day landings, there are going to be quite a few cemeteries, I imagine. Good morning, day 9, Comberton Le Vaudreuil twinning trek. Well, I'm in France, so I left Dieppe this morning and I'm making my way as far as I can, really. 30 kilometres, something like that, I don't know. But thankfully we've got some good weather. The bigger change, which is actually not a bad change, is all the signs for the GR in France with a red horizontal bar and a white horizontal bar. So far they've been much better than the signs that we get in England, so that's quite good. But as always, let's see where the day takes us. I'm leaving a hamlet. Quiet country road walking. Taking you through the back of this old village. Lots of really beautiful buildings. A long concrete path. I missed this off-trail bit, so had to go back. Oh, probably an extra quarter mile. Oh, we go downhill. A little bit of French road walking. Turn here. Not sure what village this is, but a lot of people have chickens. A nice French bridge. Where every house had chickens. This is the little river I'm following all the way down the valley. A sharp uphill, and then they take you down the back of this village through the valley. There's been a lot of road walking on minor D roads. Finally got in a little connecting bit between villages. It's a bit softer on the feet. Some big French cows. Bonjour. Up and around the edge of this school, Gautier Giffard. Most of the walls are hidden, so you can't really get a decent picture, but it's quite a big fortress. Quite a few different paths combining. A little bit premature with the top line, but that's my way. More pavement walking. A new friend. My first French style. It's the right way. Now this clearly has never been moved. Oh, I'll have to go on. What's funny about this section is just to your right there is a perfectly good path that they don't let you on, and they've created one close to the field which has got all the blowdowns on it which they don't clear. I'm hearing a bell, so I assume there's a train coming. An orange French slug. Quite a beautiful park we get to walk through. Notre Dame Park, or Parc de Notre Dame. The French have a slightly different style for their churches, but they're beautiful nonetheless. Brand new path to walk on, so getting there slowly. French sheep with bells.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.